What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from the Universal Orlando Resort for yet another Jurassic World VelociCoaster construction update. And hopefully today we will see some daytime testing. Fingers crossed. Let's go.
He is grumpier.
Good morning, Lighthouse. It's about 9:40. Park opens at 10, but gates are already open. And it's cold. Yep, still cold. About 47 degrees, Florida winter. Ticket windows are a little bit busier than normal, and we have all the turnstiles open, including the ones right in the middle. I'm gonna choose that one. Yep, like usual, no wait to get through temperature checks, security, or through the front entrance, and we are on our way. Good morning, VelociCoaster, and we can see some guys in a lift over by the Helix and stall area. Everything else looking pretty good. Some of those new palm trees still wrapped up because of the cold weather. They're looking great. Looks like we have some more repainting going on of some of the supports, this one being for the stall. So if you notice, it looks like these guys are cleaning the track. In yesterday's video they were doing the same thing, and we thought it was just to, well, make sure everything was nice and clean, but from what we can tell, it looks like there's some physical damage on the track right now. And over here, right after the Heartline, we can see more of those marks. Again, looks like a wheel is going around the track and it had some sort of issue. And here we can see more of those same marks, just like on the other side of the ride near the water. And that looks like sandpaper that they're using.
So they can have